Hey guys, so CarPodGo has very kindly sent me one of their CarPlay units. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you guys exactly how it works by installing it into our Ford Transit. Now this one is the one that comes with the reverse camera, which is a few pounds extra. So I wanted to make sure that we had the reverse camera in the Ford Transit because that is the perfect vehicle to show you guys the reverse camera feature. I would say the cable for the reverse light is roughly 5 meters, which was more than long enough for the Ford Transit. As you saw, there was a windscreen mount included in case you do want to mount it on the windscreen, but there's also a few sticky pads in case you want to mount it on the dashboard like we do. Now let's go ahead and open this beautifully packaged CarPlay unit. Now this is an 8.9 inch screen that is 60 frames per second and very responsive. The device itself takes less than 2 minutes to install, but if you do want to put the reverse camera in, obviously there's a bit of extra work involved in that. Now bear in mind that this is not just an Apple CarPlay unit, it also supports Android Auto. So I decided to install it to the Ford Transit because this vehicle does not have any sort of navigation system as standard, but it does have Bluetooth. So you can see how quick this is to install. You just need to place the sticky pad down on the dashboard, or you can use a windscreen mount and then you just pop the mount into the base and you just tighten up the mount. Because of the weight of the unit, it is recommended that the device does sit onto the dashboard because it is only really a sticky pad holding this onto the dashboard. Getting this connected to your phone is pretty simple. It's the same as what you'd normally do with any other unit. You just simply open up Bluetooth on your phone, find the device name and tap connect, and then you'll need to push pair once the code shows. CarPodGo works with pure Bluetooth display mode, which means that the audio is transmitted through the vehicle's car Bluetooth system while the screen displays video only. And this means you'll be able to use the steering wheel controls on your vehicle or the head unit controls to control the audio, as well as answering and declining calls on your phone instead of having to go through the CarPodGo screen. Now the power adapter is a very smart USB system that goes straight into the cigarette lighter. It has an external USB port in case you want to put your phone on charge at the same time. As well as this, it does have a power button on it, so if your vehicle doesn't automatically turn these ports off, you don't need to unplug it each time, you just hit the power button. And with the screen all set up, I'm now going to install the reverse camera. So I decided to install the camera looking down from above the rear doors because I wanted to be able to get a better view of the back of the vehicle when reversing. Now the cable is roughly 5 meters long, which was more than enough length to run it from the rear doors all the way to the front of the vehicle. With the wiring in place, it was just a matter of connecting up the red wire that's on the cable to the reverse light on the vehicle, so that once you pop it in reverse, it will send a current to the red wire, which in turn will activate the camera. And this is how it works. You pop it in reverse here and the screen will automatically display the reverse camera. Now the screen and video quality is excellent and I'm really pleased with the device, and I think it works really well, especially in a vehicle like this. What I thought was really cool as well was the fact that you're able to select your vehicle's logo from the settings on this device, allowing you to make it look as if this is designed to be in your vehicle from factory. Another thing that makes this device so good is the fact that you're able to easily remove it off the dashboard mount and then use the windscreen mount and place it into another vehicle, so that if you're like me and you drive multiple vehicles during the day, then you can easily switch between the two vehicles and take this device with you. So guys, if you're looking for a device like this, then I've put a link in the description down below, and if you guys have any questions, then feel free to pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them, but there's a lot of information available on their website as well. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.